Hi everyone, this is Dipti. I work for the Asia Group. I would like to introduce a job opportunity that we are hiring for. This is into building networks and installation of wireless devices in hotels, in the hospitals, in the apartments, and the place of work would be in and around Tokyo. There is a high chance of earning about 5 lakhs and more. It's a full-time job. We need about 2 people for this particular profile. And as I said, it is very much in and around Tokyo. It's a full-time job. The approximate expected salary range per month. There is also an additional bonus on the basis of your performance. A basic daily conversational Japanese should be okay to apply for this profile. Even no Nihongo is fine to apply for this particular job. The interviews for this particular opportunity is happening in our office at the Asia Group on the 22nd of October. If you wish to apply, please get in touch with us at the Asia Group. A small introduction, a little about our company here. We have job fairs and job interviews happening every single day of the week. A job fair is where you will be shown all the relevant job openings, all the HRs or the president coming from the companies to our office on that particular day. You would be shared with all those job opportunities. You can pick up anything out of that and challenge those interviews or directly give in the interview for what you had come for. And the job fair happening on a Monday, Wednesday, Friday is at 11 a.m. whereas the final interviews happen at about 2 p.m. And the job fair on Tuesdays, Thursdays, Saturdays and Sundays happen about 1 p.m. whereas the job interview happens around 4 p.m. And this would be our address in Tokyo. We also have offices in Osaka and Nagoya apart from Tokyo. And this would be our contact in case you are looking for a job or you want to apply for this particular job opportunity. Please get in touch with us. We shall help you. Thank you.